we are. We have arrived. Ay, ay, ay. Hello?
Hello.
Hi there.
How you doing?
Stove problem?
Yeah, it's just not, before it was like, it would turn on right away.
Okay.
See, like now it's turning on. But one thing that doesn't work is this kind of comes and goes.
Okay.
But the one that doesn't work at all is the oven.
The oven itself?
Yeah.
Okay.
Like it doesn't heat up or anything.
All right, I'll take a look at it.
Thank you.
Okay. When it comes to ovens and on a stove, the oven's not working. You see an old, very old igniter. I don't even bother checking. I've been doing this for many years. It's always that igniter. Now you see why you shouldn't be on the phone and driving. I almost took the red light. But no, you guys keep distracting me. All just for what? Because you want to watch videos? Just joking, guys. Okay, we're almost at the parts store. Welcome to the Oxnard Appliance Parts, or Appliance Parts of Oxnard, one of the two. You guys need any parts? Stop by. It's right here by 9th Street and 8th Street. If you live in the city of Oxnard, this is where you want to come and buy some parts for your appliances. Oh, man. All right, never mind. I actually forgot to take a model number. Hey, Sean, how are you? All right, all right. Okay, I got an issue. Okay, I just went to check an oven, but I forgot to get the model number.
Okay.
The igniter you had was kind of like those round ones.
There's a round one?
Yeah.
For the inside of the oven, right?
Yeah. All right. Hello, Cindy Lauper.
Hi, how are you?
All right, all right. How is the life of the rich and famous?
I don't know about that.
Come on, you're famous. You're Cindy Lauper. Okay, Mr. Sean.
All right. How much are the GR403s now?
59.
Yeah, if it's a round one, they're unique. There's only
Yeah.
ones that are round like
Only
that.
one like
so.
that.
Yeah.
Yep. All right, 64.46 is the total.
All right. I walk into a store and I grab something I'm about to pay, and I tell the girl on the register, I got this from the free section. And she's asking the other coworker, do we have a free section? Oh boy.
Say, let me get to it quick.
A free section. I won't. Have a good day. I can get more done between 7 a.m. in the morning and 11 a.m. or noon than I can actually get done between 1 o'clock and 7 p.m. Normally, you don't get anything done between those hours. All the traffic, all the time just goes by on traffic. Driving around, missing parts, that you forgot something, and there you go. All right, all right. So, anyway, I'll see you guys down there at the job site. Okay, here's another thing I did not mention. This part cost me $64, okay? $64.46. Okay, and you guys can actually get that same part for like 16 bucks on Amazon. Okay, you want to come and check this out? Okay, let's see, bake, start. See the igniter turning on already?
Oh yeah, cool.
Takes it a little wire to withdraw enough power to open the gas valve.
Oh, okay.
It has to pull a certain amount, and that'll act.
Oh, look, and then it turns on.
There it is.
Perfect. Thank you so much.